and you are busy tagging me homosexual. When you are calling me homosexual, make video, uncountable video. Image according to you, with the image. Let me advise you, go and deactivate your Facebook. Log out. Pop up on the Facebook. But as long as you are still coming online, logging in, search for customer, Oga, we will never let you sleep and rest.
My people, wonder shall never end. No be small something now they happen. No saga continue. My people, as I they talk to now, everywhere don't scatter, everywhere don't bust to. Jpac comedy don't come out again with another update. No be small something. No, this person so when they drag now one babalawo when they call Ezeobi, he don't call and come out. He say Ezeobi, they call and say he dey boyken, he dey do back. Una understand? Say he dey do that thing for back. My people so good. No be small matter. Ezeobi come out come talk say anybody when go dey drag am for social media and say he go use the last card or him money to fight the person. Una understand? Now so Jpac come out send message to Ezeobi. No be small thing. He say the time when they call and say he dey do that thing, he dey now that thing, now he dey use to they make him money, everything. He say now that thing, now he dey do, now he dey use to recognize them.
Message here, send directly to Ezeobi na Asaba. Yes. Oh, with a video imere, it's na nigga drop, or you use the last strength, your last strength and your last money, and the last drop of your blood to fight anybody tarnishing your image. When I saw that video, I laughed in Swahili. So you wear the image to protect Abi, and you are busy tagging me homosexual. When you are calling me homosexual, they make video, uncountable video. Image for according to you, with the image. You will go fine and good. You go hotel. You catch go out. Let me advise you, go and deactivate your Facebook. Log out. Pop up on the Facebook. But as long as you are still coming online, logging in, search for customer, Oga, we will never let you sleep and rest. Or let's know how to choose the Facebook. You just name it over normal program. You know over normal program, we will leave you. But as long as you need the hanoji, bafa, chuaja, cho customer na Facebook, Oga, I gave me video to analyze. If I know analyze your video, another person will analyze them. If another person, let me just tell you, we are in group. You know, we are legion. We are many. You know, go feel fight us. So as long as you now put on a Facebook, now charger, name almost name. I get a video analyze. Hear me, I hear me clearly. You got that? You are my friend. You got that? So and you cannot close shop on Monday. Can give me pay. You all know that, and you and I know that content creators, bloggers, and comedians, when if I had a row, I didn't want a call, adverts, Ibu breaking news, so you cannot come and close our mouths. See, then you can make your own. It's not possible now. It's not possible now. You and I know it's not possible. So when you are busy calling Jpac homo, now I'm all sort of name. Now I'm ammonia with the lesbian because I'm ammonia with the comments on you buying private jet, a block where lesbian. So a maro, not a wee. Did you see me react? I'm assured I did not react. Because same days will be acting that I can. You don't come out before. Don't punana. Ask him your profile, Naka, from you, from from A to Z. Okay, but ask him that Naka. So before you talk, before you make a video, you buzo to overgumbo na Jpac makunu nino. Ask him chani naka from A to Z. I'm my lifestyle nine. Ebe ahụ nọkịta bega na savana my CCTV nọ dị na watch gị a na-agwa m ife ị na-eme ịghọtara achọghị m ịkpagbu okwu afa mana ịpụshuo m ka m dọpụta gị n'iro people will see you afụ na nsị dị gị n'ike Ezeobi so cool o dana ọ bụrụ mana ndị ka ya na-emere video iji obi ọkụ pụta Facebook na ichefuru the same Facebook ị na-ekwusi akọtara afa gị, the same Facebook ị na-achụ aja na-agba afa, the same Facebook a ka people ji amara onye bụ, the same Facebook a ka iji nwee customer under 2 years, the same Facebook a nyere gị ego iji rụ họteelụ, nye gị ego iji wee rụọ ụlọ, nye gị ego iji agba moto na that Facebook, and the same Facebook ị na-asị si eji na-ekọta afa gị. You know you lie now. It's not possible. So go and tell your advisor, those people that are advising you, that this time around you fell it woefully. Unless you come to social media and tender apology to me, Moabu Jpac, for calling me homo. Iran go before Ezeobi. And my boga afa, my name Apo Mafa. It bought Mafia pop time your profile. All the videos in a mere referring videos, he may refer can people feel on or more. Manamuana boga Ezeobi. Iran go before. You wouldn't go on and work before. So open a homo as you claim, which means na your friend and abone homo now, because na your friend and under 24 hours. Which means na your friend and under come with only homo. Guide your tongue, Ezeobi. You don't know how to talk. You are full of pride. Don't allow pride to eat you up. Even with the ego, even with the pride. Boot your pride. You know, when Facebook, you know the pride. Onye nwe Facebook maka Zuckerberg ọ na-eyi singlet yiri akwa 25 yiri akwa na-agalara ọnụ ọ na-eyi gold o nwere pride ị nwere mana you are using his app wee na-achụ aja. Ezeobi butuo your ego. We know you. Mụ na-ekwu na-akpọ gị afa. Ezeobi butuo your ego. Ama nke I know you. Butuo your ego. Okay, for Facebook a as long as you can Facebook, iru ka Fada Mbaka. Manage Fada Mbaka kọkọ niile akọrọ ka a na-akọ maka Fada Mbaka ka a na-eme gịnị ka a na-enwe more followers. The reason why I don't want to reply is that many people need my name, attack my name. Where my name na castigate him. Did you see me reply any of them? Because I know they are doing free promo for me. Every blessed day, and then when more 500 followers for people tagging my name, using my name to castigate me. I love that critics. They are giving me followers every day, 500 followers. Add them to the one who. So if the onion, so in a bamba ejiku, kini ejiku, oku giwa John who could go to private jet $270,000. $270,000 is not even up to Oruhege go Rolls Phantom. It's Nije, the Rolls of $270,000. Comedians Bure, first I see Bure help while you beg promo. Of 1 million views, 700,000 views, 500,000 views. Can you work your name now? That video gave you more than 30,000 followers. You will followers area, your name, there are people chabag na Dibia go to private jets. Half of the people who watch the video believe when you go to private jet true. Half don't believe them. You will a catch. Do you know how much each that video will make? You are the one that will come and patronize us. You are the one that come and pay us for even using that your video. Analyze by people got there. Before the channel go to private jet true. Kakosiku makagwabi, kiwike weruonku. February more is a lie. Ezeobi, deactivate your account. Once you deactivate your account, stop coming on social media. Is meant for bloggers, is meant for entertainers, is meant for musicians, is meant for people who is meant for people who use Facebook na kuzi original menana. We will not leave you now. You and I know. We can't leave you now unless you deactivate your account, block your account, or put on Facebook. Or coded Facebook, coded Libya. Or coded the work. But as long as you can after Facebook, email video tag in your chair. I have to get him my making. I analyze here again. You could go maybe for a walk, Yaku. When you walk, Yaku, say to Zinono and age, I got bag, I got tag, to begging. A dibia ekwesịghị ide etu ọnụ na ya agba mmadụ egbe. Dibia ekwesịghị ide ekwu disi, dibia kwesịrị iji ọgwụ kụọ onye ahụ ọgwụ ọfụnanya. Ọ bụrụ ya akụwa ọgwụ ọga anyị na Facebook, we will analyze your video. Thank you.
My people, shey una don hear everything for the horses smart. No be small palava o. No be small thing. Jpac blow hot. E blow alarm say the time when Ezeobi dey tag ground, dey call am different names, say e dey kpoike, say na nyash na e dey do back o, say e no dey do nwanyi, say na nwoke na e Jpac dey deal with. No be small thing. Na so Jpac come say na social media na e be this one o. Say e go drag Ezeobi van. Say e never start o, as far as say e dey, say e na microscope, say e set camera everywhere, say e dey use the eye take dey watch all of them, say e hold all of the secret. My people, no be small something o. No be small thing. And the one wey come shock me, when e come talk say dey call am say e dey kpoike. Jpac, abeg, my advice to you be say make you go find woman marry, so that make some people no dey reason am say you dey kpoike, say you dey do that thing. If you marry woman put for house, nobody go dey reason you like that. Sometimes if I come your comment section, they will say Jpac boy go and marry, you know, different comment, make you go carry wine put for house. Make dem stop all these things, say make dem no dey suspect you say you dey kpoike, say na nwoke na you dey deal with. Okay my people, na here na I wan for leave una. Make una help me share this video, my people. Wahala too much o. Saga continue as everything dey happen. Na so I go dey drop the update. My name remain Amebo.